You've probably seen it all. TikToks of traders making $1,000 in minutes, and others holding trades for days, sipping coffee like Zen masters. But here's the truth. Both make money, and both go broke. So which one actually fits you? Day trading or swing trading? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which style can build you real wealth and which one might destroy your peace of mind. Intro. If you're new here, I'm your guide to building smarter income streams, from trading to AI side hustles to escaping debt-drowning America. In my last video, we broke down trading for beginners, the what, why, and where of trading. But today, we're going deeper. Because before you even place a single trade, you need to decide one thing. What kind of trader are you really built to be?
Section 1. The core difference. Let's break it down simply. Day trading is fast, intense, all in for a few hours. You open and close all trades within the same day. No overnight risk, no sleeping with charts open. It's like sprinting, exciting but exhausting. Swing trading, on the other hand, is slow, strategic, and built around patience. You hold trades for days or weeks, waiting for larger moves. It's less screen time, more analysis. Think of it as long-distance running. One rewards speed, the other rewards discipline.
Section 2. Personality match. Ask yourself this. Do you love fast decisions, constant action, and quick results? Or do you prefer planning, analyzing, and waiting for the perfect moment? Day traders thrive on adrenaline. They love instant feedback, wins and losses within minutes. But that also means mental pressure. You can't blink when the market moves. You're analyzing, executing, and managing risk all at once. Swing traders, meanwhile, are calm planners. They don't need the dopamine of instant trades. They wait for clear setups, let time work in their favor, and protect their energy. So if you're someone who works full-time or has college classes, swing trading fits better. But if you crave that game-like thrill and have time to study charts daily, day trading might just be your lane.
Section 3. Lifestyle and time. Day trading requires dedicated hours, usually during market open sessions. For U.S. markets, that's 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. EST. You need a quiet workspace, strong internet, and the ability to react fast. Swing trading? You can check charts once or twice a day, even on your phone. It's better for people balancing a 9-to-5, freelancing, or building AI side hustles on the side. Because let's be honest, not everyone can sit in front of screens all day. That's why many smart traders combine swing trading with side income streams. If you missed my video on AI hustles that actually make money, go watch that after this.
Section 4. Risk, reward, and emotions. Here's the thing. Both trading styles can make you money, but how they handle risk is totally different. Day traders. Small wins, frequent trades, tighter stop losses. You might take 10 to 15 trades a day. The key is consistency, not luck. Swing traders, fewer trades, but bigger profits per move. They rely on strong technical analysis and patience. Emotionally, day trading hits harder. You can make $500 in 10 minutes or lose it in 5. Swing trading feels calmer but demands stronger discipline. Both will test your psychology.
Section 5. Real-life example. Let's say two traders, Alex and Jordan, start with $1,000 each. Alex, a day trader, takes 10 trades a day, risks 1% per trade. Average profit, $20 a day. After a month, $400 profit, but 60 hours of screen time. Jordan, a swing trader, takes 5 trades a month, risks 2% per trade. Each win nets $80. Less stress, more freedom. Neither is wrong. They just fit different people. Alex thrives on control. Jordan thrives on balance. So in Section 6, how to choose your path. Here's how to figure out which one's for you in 3 steps. Step 1, track your time. If you can't spend 3 to 4 hours daily on markets, skip day trading. Step 2. Test your patience. Try paper trading both styles for a week. See where you feel comfortable. Step 3. Know your stress tolerance. Day trading equals higher emotional load. Swing trading equals more waiting game. Remember, trading success isn't about doing what's popular. It's about doing what's sustainable.
Outro. Here's the truth, my friend. It's not about how fast you trade. It's about how long you last. The real edge in 2025 isn't flashy screens or secret indicators. It's discipline and risk management. So whether you're a day trader or a swing trader, focus on building habits, not hype. And if you want to build your wealth even beyond trading, check out my video on AI hustles that actually work and my deep dive, Debt Drowning America, where we talk about why financial freedom is no longer optional. Hit subscribe, join the movement, and let's keep growing smarter, not harder. Because this is your financial wake-up call.